How to factory reset Beats Solo Buds wireless Bluetooth earbuds in case they are not pairing with your phone or other device, or they're not syncing with the app, or they keep disconnecting, or you're getting sound only out of the left ear or only out of the right ear. A hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set them up again and have them be forgotten on your devices, but this might be something you want to do anyway. If you want to set them up as new, it's very easy to do. All we need to do is come in here, put our earbuds in the case like so. We're going to close the case, and then we're going to come and open the case. Now, we want to have a decent charge on everything when we do this, and what we're going to do is we're just going to come in, and there's a button here and a button here, and we're going to press and hold these buttons on the back of both earbuds simultaneously for about 15 seconds. And you'll see during those 15 seconds, it will make some chiming sounds that it's trying to pair, but then after 15 seconds, it will do three short little, it'll go do like a little beep, 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 and that is indicating that it has been completely factory reset. You can go ahead and close your case, open them up. They'll go into pairing mode. You can forget them off whatever phone you've had and set them up as a new set of earbuds. And if you want to get these earbuds, I'll put a link in the pinned comment to where you can get the best price on them.